So for this chicken soup, what I am going to do is I'm going to take some kaffir leaves, dried kaffir leaves, and lemongrass. Along with that, I've added some cloves and some star anise, and you have to make a tea out of it. So this is the first step. After that, you're going to take 2 chicken breasts and you're going to slice them. So now as you see that it started to get infused in the water well, I am going to add my chicken. 7 to 8 diced mushrooms or sliced mushrooms. Now add 1 tin of coconut milk. Now I'm going to add some bean sprouts. Now add some cabbage, some carrots and some peppers. We are nearly done. At the end, I am going to add some ginger, garlic, some red bird eye chili and some green onion. Finally drizzle some chili oil on top of it. Now I'm going to dish out our chicken soup with vegetables. It looks yummy. Try this recipe, let me know how it turned out for you, and for more interesting content, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Till next time, take care and enjoy.